Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all students. How are you today? In this video, you will learn about science process skills number 3, that is measuring and using numbers. Let us begin. Measuring and using numbers is a skill to make observations using numbers and standard unit tools, such as in this situation on a sport day. Teacher, how do we record the time of our run? We can use a digital stopwatch. How do we use it, teacher? It is simple. Step 1, you just need to push this button on the left side to reset the time to 0. Step 2, we push this right button to start recording the time just when the runner starts running. Step 3, we push this button again to stop recording when the runner reaches the finishing line so that you can take the reading of how fast is the runner. You can see here the accurate time taken on the stopwatch above is 3 minutes and 59.29 seconds. This is how we measure and using numbers. Just now, you have learned how to measure time. This time, we are going to learn on how we measure length. To measure the length of an object, we need a ruler. Step 1, you need to place the end of an object in line with the 0 mark on your ruler. Step 2, on the other end of the object, you can see the reading, but make sure you have the correct position of your eyes. So, the correct length measurement is 9 cm for this object. Let us go into detail on how to correctly measure anything using your ruler. The numbers that you can see on your ruler from 0 until 15 is actually number in centimeter. Each number has longer mark on your ruler. How about the smaller and tiny marks between those numbers? Yes, those are the marks for millimeter. Let us count the smaller marks together. Starting from the red triangle, we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, long marks, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters equals to 1 centimeter. That's why your ruler shows number 1 on the longer marks. After 10 more smaller marks, you will get 2 centimeters. And after that, 10 more smaller marks, you will get 3 centimeters and so on. Let us measure this ball pen. Starting from 0, you can see at the end of the pen is 14 centimeters. Okay, now we are going to measure this short pencil. We have put the end of the pencil in line with the 0 mark. The other end of the pencil, as you can see, is near the number 8 mark. but there is more of it. The tip of the pencil is longer than number 8 mark. How long? Let us count the smaller mark. Starting from number 8, 1, 2, and 3 smaller marks. So, the length of this pencil is 8.3 cm. Simple, isn't it? So, you have learned the science process skills number 3, measuring and using numbers. Remember, to be a good scientist, you need to be very good at measuring and using numbers. That's all for now. Bye-bye.